Hey everyone, let's go to problem 61, right? So we have sine 2x, just try to write it, sine 2x, which is going to be 1/2, and the given x value is actually restricted in between 0 and 2 pi. So where x is staying in between 0 and 2 pi. Now, the normal way to find it, and I actually wrote it down in the think through, is that we got to first write down theta. We got to switch 2x into theta. And step number 1 is basically changing the variable. And if I change it into this, like theta variable, then we know that theta is actually staying in between 0 and 4 pi. Okay? Right, so we're solving for theta first, step number 2. Sine theta is in fact 1/2. And for this little theta staying between 0 and 4 pi. Now, we can actually graph it too, but the question was asking us about the number of solutions. We don't have to be very specific. So in other words, probably graphing might be the better option than finding the specific values. So in other words, if I sketch the theta and sine theta graph, the sketch of the graph will have 2 full cycle, which is going to be having 2 pi, and we got 4 pi down there, and we get 0. And all I need to do is just to draw y equals 1/2. Or you can say that this is just going to be, like we can erase this. Let's just try to erase this part and saying that that's y. And we can sketch y equals 1/2. Now, if I draw the line, the horizontal line, and we know that this horizontal line is actually beneath the maximum points, because the maximum point of this graph, y equals sine theta, or y equals sine x, or y equals 2 sine x, it's always going to be 1. So we know that the maximum point will always be 1. So I need to draw the midline, the line that is passing through 1/2, and I can find those 4 points of intersections. And since these points of intersection refers, and we have one-to-one correspondence to the solution, we get 4 solutions for theta, right? So we get 4 theta, 4 theta values. So what does that mean? It means that we have 4 2x values, and we know we get 4 x values. Why? Because if I divide it out by 2, well, we still have one-to-one correspondence, right? So that being said, the answer for this problem must be just 4, and that shall be it.